Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable network discovery or sharing on Windows, then please watch this video. Now here's one thing. There's a concept called firewall on your system which is by default enabled for both public and private networks. This means if someone wishes to access your system, then that person needs permission and you need to grant the permission through the firewall even if you grant it through a certain app. So to enable or disable network discovery does not mean that you are automatically granting anyone permission. It is only that they have the right to view your network and access it and then ask for your permission. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side and select Wi-Fi and then go to your network. And then there are two options here, public network and private network. It is selected at public network by default, and public network means that your system is not discoverable. Why is it not discoverable? Because if it was discoverable, then anyone in the public could start pinging you or trying to access or hack the network, even though it's not easy, but they'll try to do it. And if you selected a private network or your home network, then your system is relatively vulnerable or at least visible to others which who are using the same network. Now what does it mean by private network? If you click on this icon here, you're connected to a certain network. This is called the private network. And if you wish to stop the discoveries, shift back to public network. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.